name is Melissa Lopez Dangilan, 26 years old, Christian. I have one child, married. My husband is working as a driver. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the 4th in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Melissa. How are you today?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Being a domestic helper, I am patient, hardworking, responsible, and I promise to do my best as a domestic helper.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of newborn baby?
Must give feeding bottle at least 2 to 3 hours. Must give vitamins on time at the right dosage. Give medicines if necessary on time at the right dosage. Must check the diaper if it is full and must change it.
Okay, what if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, if I committed mistake, I will apologize or say sorry, and I promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me as your domestic helper. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Melissa, and good luck.
Sir, Madam, thank you.